Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix problem Instagram chat not showing up loading. First you need to open the Google Play Store first and then find the search bar on the top of the screen and then click on it. Here find the Instagram and then click on this and find the page. And here click on the uninstall and click on the uninstall again and then uh, click the install and download this app again on your phone. Then go to your Instagram account, go to the profile page, click on the three lines on the top right corner, or not, click on the edit profile, and here find the switch to professional account. Just click on it, click continue. Here select some types of your profile, then click on the done, and after this just click on the edit profile now and go to the personal account back, and this solved of the problem of your account Instagram. This all for today. Goodbye.